Hello guys, welcome back to another video. So if you have this question in mind, like you have your Web3 coin inside your wallet and you do not know how to sell it, or you do not have any information concerning this token, so today we will be explaining and going step by step to see whether it can be swapped or not, and then find more information about it so that you can get to know it, not only me. So this token, I have it in my wallet, is kind of a months ago. So right now, if we come to Trust Wallet, we want to sell this token, then we added it so that we can see, but I know it might include charges because I never intend to sell it. Okay, so now I hit on maximum and it shows almost 16 BNB. This is crazy, guys. I think this is crazy. So right now we have to enable this token, and to enable this token, that is what will cost us some P. Okay, so right now let's try to enable this coin. It will pop up a smart contract, which you're seeing right now. Okay, smart contract is coming, so I'm really sorry for that. So right now you can see it is 0.07 dollars. That is why the charges is 0.07 dollar. So I accept that because it's not that much. Okay, so now we have enabled it, and now you can see it is processing. You can see searching. So you can see that. So let's try and wait for a little bit to see what's gonna happen. So enabled in my wallet, right? So now swap anyway, that is the second option. So I hit on swap anyway to see what's gonna happen. So they said this swap has a price impact at least 10%. At least 10%. Please type the word confirm to continue with this swap. So right now we have to insert a word confirm. Okay, let's do that in a little bit hurry. So I just do that and I hit on swap anyway, and now we're waiting for confirmation. Okay, swapping 586 token, wow, 3 for almost 16. Oh my goodness. So you can see the input token cannot be transferred. There may be an issue with the input token, so this means that definitely it cannot be swapped. But right now let's try to get more information about this coin, because MetaMask come and it is scam. We see that. So all our hope towards all this thing was kind of weak because so many have been turned to scam. So now we have lose our mind towards all these tokens. So I don't know have that temptation. I don't know have that intention toward these tokens. So I don't have it. Whether it becomes scam, it is legit. No matter how down it is, I will appreciate that. But if it is a scam, then thank God I did not invest any money. So now let me try to find my wallet, among the holders. What is my position? So right now I will check, since we have over half of a million token. So I will be going to see whether I can track my wallet among the holders, among the top holders. So I go for page 3 to see whether I can track my wallet address. I'm the number what among the holders. So definitely it is not here. All here are 600,000, and I have only more than a 500. But let's see that. Okay, so right here you can see the one that has over 500, okay, 500,000. So right now you can see this is my wallet. I know my wallet. So here it is. I'm number 180 among the top holders. I'm number 180 with the token of 586 million. Yes, this is my wallet. If you watch me frequently, you will know that this is my wallet. And right now we get into their website to see what they are up to. So still their pre-sale is ongoing, and right now remain 14 hours 37 minutes for another round. So I think they intend to finish this this July, and they say unlock date. We will get into that. Okay, so now let me enter like a 5 BNB with their pre-sale to see how much my own airdrop token is inside on their pre-sale page. Okay, let me write let me go for like 5 to see whether it can be total of mine. So you can see 570. So this means that my own during this pre-sale is over 5 with the pre-sale price, and you can see it is different from Trust Wallet, from PancakeSwap. That is different. So you can see many more information about it. Invite friend and get 10% BNB and 10% coin. So I don't think that is good. Do not invite your friend to buy this, only participate in airdrop. So you can see the date of their Adiho calendar. So any of their plan is right here. You can see their plans is right here. Sold, status completed, in progress. Now we are second to the last. You can see it is 39%. That is in progress. So that is 31st May. So that is on 1st June. Then that is the final round. It will be tomorrow. That is the final round. You can see 1st June. So we will wait for that to see all of their stuffs. So you can see right now, if you get to their news, Web3Coin news, you can see that all what they are up to, and they're saying that unlock rules, Adiho and airdrop token locked up to 25 June 2022. That means with an airdrop token you can't transfer, can't trade, and can't swap before 25th June 2022. Unlock plan 25 June 2022. On PancakeSwap you can freely buy and sell Web3Coin tokens, please. So you can see that. So I do not advise you to get into this. If you have airdrop token, then we will be making an update to see how possible it is to solve. So we will be getting an update from them, and anytime we had an information about them, we will let you know that inside our Telegram group. So don't forget, you can find the link to our Telegram group in the description. You will be getting more information once this token was listed, and more tokens that we have claimed far long ago. Thank you.